I'm taking a thrifted denim jacket from this to something more like this by cutting out the panels and crocheting new inserts for them. Last week I chopped out the panels that I wanted to remove for the jacket to replace with crochet. In this video there's one more panel yet to come out, which is right along where the buttons are. You see, yes, past Carolyn pointing it out for you. So I cut those out after video and then I started crocheting. I started with the panels closest to the buttons. I wanted those to be pretty solid so that the buttons still function nicely. The first one I did is this cute little checkerboard with leftover speckled yarn from a scrap swap I did with a friend and leftover green yarn from my ball gown project. This whole project is going to be very, very freeform. I'm not writing a pattern for any of it. I've been pinning in the pieces as I've been finishing them. Look how adorable it looks! There is a white section at the bottom because it wasn't quite long enough, but we're here for it. We are letting it go. I also finished the shoulder section last night as well. Basically, there is a lot of panels left to do. I want to keep as many of them very granny square focus as possible, but I'm having a hard time deciding what colors to pair with what and how much to pre-plan. Trying to let this be a really free-form project is actually very difficult for me.